Hi, it's Dorothy Guiding with Scrapbooking Quebec, and today I thought I would share with you my October 2020 Scrappy kit and plans because I plan to do things a bit differently this month. Instead of creating a kit from my stash and pimping it up with a few newer products, I bought a whole whack of new stuff and I plan to add a few older things to it. My plan is to follow Shimelle's Best of Both Worlds series, and this is a Facebook series where Shimelle provides a shopping list, and throughout 1 month she creates pages and shares inspiration. Now, if you don't know Shimelle, I will put a link to her Facebook page below. She is really fun and talented. Now, what I'm going to do first is show you the kit that I put together inspired by her shopping list. I did do a bit of substituting, but I'll explain all of that. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you is an ephemera pack from Vicki Boutin's Let's Wander collection. Now, I've had this for quite a while and it's well picked over, so I threw it in my kit, but I also had a second pack of different ephemera from that collection, so I threw that in as well. It's going to be in the same color family and same theme, so I should be able to use some of that up. This is Amy Tangerine's Late Afternoon cardstock stickers. That was on the list. And now what I'm going to show you the next few things are some paper from the Paige Evans Go the Scenic Route collection. And that is a new collection. Now, the first two that I'm about to show you here, on her list was a paper that had birds on it. It's the same kind of colors, but I preferred the butterfly paper, so I simply selected the one that I preferred most. And on her bird paper, the flip side was blue, so I bought another blue paper just to kind of match that in case I needed it for one of her projects. Here's another paper that's in the collection, and you can see I've got two of each. Her list, she suggested one of each, but typically when I buy paper, most of the time I buy two of each. So those are two more papers from the Go the Scenic Route collection. This one here, again, same collection, but I only bought one of this cut apart sheet, but I may regret it. The flip side is super, super beautiful. Now, also on the list was a pack of ephemera from the Amy Tangerine Late Afternoon collection. I don't have it here, but it's on its way. Also on the list was a set of stamps. Now, the stamps looked an awful lot like these letters here. Those are stickers from the Vicki Boutin Let's Wander collection, so I threw them in, and I also threw in two sets of stamps from my stash. I have about 10 sets of alpha stamps, probably more, so I didn't want to invest in any more alpha stamps. This here is a substitute. That is from my stash. It's from Pink Fresh Studio. On her list, she had these little round stickers from P13, and I just simply substituted them with what I had in my stash. Same thing here with this Pink Fresh Studio paper. She had one of the similar colors from Pink Fresh Studio. I just substituted it with what I had from my stash. This one here is on her list. It's from the Boo Crew collection from Simple Stories. Super cute. I just got one of those, as well as these enamel dots. Again, Simple Stories, Cozy Days collection, and I bought that as well. It was really fun to do add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. Actually, it's quite therapeutic. On her list, she had green alphas from the Late Afternoon collection. They didn't really speak to me, to be perfectly honest, so I just showed you two alphas that are from my stash that are more my style. The papers I'm about to show you now are all from the Amy Tangerine Late Afternoon collection. Now, these ones here are a substitute, actually. She had a paper that was very similar, but the motif was different, and I preferred that one there, so that's what I added to my cart. That one there was on her list, super cute, as well as the next few I'm about to show you. I really do like that one with all the cameras, very, very cute. The flip side of that is a nice yellow. I'm really curious to see what Shimelle does with all of this. This is really new to me and I'm very excited about it. Two more papers. Well, it's actually, again, the same paper. I'm showing you both sides. That is from the Amy Tangerine Late Afternoon collection, as well as this one here. You don't really see the bottom stripe. It's a nice dark green. I'm just showing you how the letters I selected matched that paper. Again, if I don't have the right color letters, I can always dig into my stash. Those alphas there are not on the list. She had something similar. I don't think they were available when I went to order them, so I found something in my stash that was iridescent, and those ones that I have are from Heidi Swapp. This one is a substitute. She had one from a collection called Picnic in the Park. Either it wasn't available or I didn't like it, so I selected this one here. It is from that Paige Evans Go the Scenic Route collection, and I just showed you an orange paper, which was the flip side of the original paper, if that makes any sense. This one here is from Vicki Boutin. It's a cardstock sticker sheet. I already had it kind of picked over, as you can see, so I threw in another sticker sheet from that Vicki Boutin Let's Wander collection, and I figure with the two I should be good. There was a piece of paper on her list for that Vicki Boutin paper with that kind of pink animal print. I had a scrap of it, so I didn't buy it. But when I was looking at my Vicki Boutin stuff, I found another paper in that pink family, so I pulled that one out. And finally, the last piece of paper as part of Shimelle's kit was this, I don't know, a specialty paper, I guess, from the old school Heidi Swapp collection. Super cool. She also had an ink pad on it from Tim Holtz. It's called Crackled Campfire, something like that, in the burnt orange. So I have about 75 ink colors here in my scrap room, so I just picked out a few oranges. While I was on the scrapbook.com buying stuff, I thought, what the heck, I might as well add a few more things. So what I'm showing you right now are some other papers, and I showed you some ephemera and stickers, all from the Paige Evans Go the Scenic Route. Once there, I thought, what the heck. That lined paper, it was in the original kit. I actually bought 6 of them because I'm always looking for lined paper. And I also bought some more pieces to this Amy Tangerine Late Afternoon collection, so that's what I'm showing you here. Again, as you can see, for most of them, I bought 2 sheets of paper. That's just typically how I shop. And for this one as well, I bought puffy stickers. So that's what I'm going to be working with in October 2020. I am so excited simply because I never do this. Actually, I'm quite a frugal person. I don't plan on using the entire kit. There's no way I can use all of this in October, but I do plan to scrapbook and have some guilt-free fun. Like I said, I'm usually frugal, so for me to go on a shopping spree and just simply go add to cart, I can tell you it gave me weeks of joy as I was waiting for this to be delivered. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I will do a layout share at the end of the month of the projects I do create with this kit. Also, I will probably do a few layout process videos as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a happy and healthy October. Bye-bye.